To start off this hairstyle, make sure you brush your hair thoroughly. It will be difficult to style the hair if there are any tangles, so give it a good brush. Grab a 1-inch section on the side of your head. Take 2 fingers on your right hand and wrap the hair around the 2 fingers. Next, you're going to use your index finger and your thumb and pull the long strand of hair through, twist it and push it flat against your head. Once you've completed this step, you're just going to use a hairpin and pin this into place. For the rest of the waterfall braid, all you're going to do is grab sections of hair with your left hand, pass it over to your fingers on your right hand, pull a loop of hair through, twist it, and then grab another section of hair. So grab a section of hair, feed it through the loop, twist, and then grab another section of hair. Grab another section of hair, feed it through the loop, twist it, and then grab a new section of hair. Once you get to the front, you're going to want to grab your last section of hair, feed it through the loop, but pull it all the way through. Take your bobby pins and pin this last section of hair into place. You might need 2 pins for this part just to secure it nicely and to tuck away any stray hairs. That's it, a beautiful waterfall loop braid. Remember, you can buy your hair extensions on our website www.frontrow.co.za. Take care everyone. Bye bye.